Tab Corex CNC Machining Center. High performance, efficiency in production, Industry 4.0, rigid body, user-friendly interface, high quality, dynamic, maximum precision. To stand out in industrial production, you need the perfect blend of high performance and precision. Tab Corex. With its rigid body, Tab Corex delivers maximum durability even under the toughest conditions. Equipped with Industry 4.0 infrastructure, it digitizes your production, maximizing efficiency. This technology ensures a seamless workflow and guarantees the highest quality. Tab Corex is more than just a CNC machine. It's the name of high performance and excellence. Its dynamic structure perfectly adapts to all your production needs, bringing precision to every task.